The Dye's Inlet House is located on Washington's Kitsap Peninsula in Silverdale, where panoramic waterfront views shape every aspect of its design. Designed by Shed Architecture and Design as a primary residence with a neighboring guest house, the home draws inspiration from Scandinavian farmhouses while meeting the needs of a modern multi-generational family. Its design emphasizes long-term comfort, energy efficiency, and a close connection to the surrounding shoreline. The property is organized as a family compound, pairing the new home with a renovated farmhouse. Landscaping creates privacy along the northern edge, while the southern facade opens toward Dye's Inlet. Two intersecting gabled volumes form a T-shaped plan that defines both a welcoming entrance courtyard and a spacious waterside patio, balancing privacy with expansive views. The interior experience is shaped by changing ceiling heights and carefully framed views. Visitors enter through a lower ceiling foyer before moving into vaulted living spaces that create a sense of openness and light. This gradual transition makes the home feel spacious while maintaining a comfortable scale and keeping the surrounding landscape constantly in view. Inside, the home separates social and private spaces with a clear layout. The living room, kitchen, and dining area occupy one wing, where large windows frame the water and extend naturally to the outdoor terrace. The opposite wing contains the primary suite, guest bedrooms, and supporting spaces, while an attic loft above the foyer provides a flexible area for a home office and storage. Natural materials such as wood, concrete, glass, and alder plywood give the home a warm, understated character inspired by the Pacific Northwest. Behind its simple appearance, the house incorporates passive house principles including triple-pane glazing, continuous insulation, heat recovery ventilation, an efficient heat pump, and a 17.2 kilowatt solar array to significantly reduce energy use. Dye's Inlet House demonstrates how thoughtful planning can create a home that supports multiple generations while remaining closely connected to nature. Its clear organization, timeless Scandinavian-inspired form, sustainable design strategies, and carefully crafted living spaces provide valuable ideas for anyone seeking inspiration for a comfortable, energy-efficient family home.